Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily exit outline mode. So this happens to me a lot when I'm editing, and I sometimes even forget the command for it, and you can't really find it anywhere here. Maybe you've tried looking at on Windows, like the solution, and maybe you've seen it here as well on the view section, but you can't seem to find like how you can get out of this outline mode. So to do that, you're just going to go to your keyboard and you're going to press the Control and Y on your keyboard. Maybe it's Command and Y on a MacBook, but you're just going to hit Control and Y to go to outline mode and exit the outline mode. And that is it. I know it happens a lot, so yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!